Welcome back.
So welcome back. Today we are going to make some Raisin Bran Muffins. They're easily in my top 2 muffins, right up there with blueberry muffins, obviously. These muffins are going to be absolutely easy to make. I make them in basically no time flat. So before we get started, here's a little joke for you. I was eating my Raisin Bran cereal and realized I ran out. Then I went to go to get another box out of the pantry, and as I was tasting it, it tasted different. Then I realized it was a different brand. I'll get it, huh? Raisin Bran. All right. So without further ado, let's get cooking.
Let's get cooking.
So to start, what we're going to do is we're going to take a perfectly good cup of cereal, or about 1.5 cups of Raisin Bran cereal, and then we're going to ruin it by adding some sour milk, or aka buttermilk, about 1 cup of it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take that and we're just going to mix this all together. We want to ensure that all of our Raisin Bran cereal is coated in buttermilk. That way it gets nice and soggy. You know, who doesn't like soggy cereal? So to ensure that our cereal is nice and soggy, what we're going to do is we're just going to let this sit to the side for about 10 minutes. All right, and while our cereal is soaking, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and mix our dry ingredients. So we're going to start with 1 cup of flour, and we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a ½ teaspoon of salt. And then we're just going to tiny whisk this together. I must say, looks like a perfect size whisk. Then in that same mixing bowl, what we're going to do is we're going to add 1 egg, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of melted butter, then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And pour it in nice and slow. And then we're just going to tiny whisk this together once again.
Mommy, I love these muffins.
Yeah, Mommy's gonna love these muffins. And then once you get that nice and mixed up, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and add our cereal from before. It should be nice and sloppy. And then we're just gonna mix that in. Some help.
Wow. Ooh, I'll try one.
And then we're going to take the rest, about a ½ cup of raisins, and we're just going to go ahead and add that to the mixture, simply because the Raisin Bran itself doesn't have enough raisins, so we're just going to add a little bit more.
Let's see the 2.
Then in our muffin pan, what we're going to do is just going to spray it with cooking oil.
Hey, now, don't put in my dress.
Oh, okay. Once you get it nice and coated with cooking spray, what we're going to do is we're just going to take the batter itself and we're just going to scoop this in to each one of the holes. So once you get these guys filled nicely, what we're going to do is just going to go ahead and bake this in the oven at 375 degrees for about 15-20 minutes. So once your muffins come out clean with a toothpick, what we're going to do is we're just going to let these sit and cool off for about 10 minutes.
And welcome back in the day. We got muffins.
That's right, we got muffins. So, you ready to taste test these wonderful Raisin Bran muffins? You want that? Go ahead.
Good?
Good.
That was a really good muffin. I could eat that for breakfast or for dessert. It's nice and light. I like the punch from the raisin. It's really good.
I agree. Obviously, it's simple to make. Make it anytime you want. Easy to make in a pinch. So easy a kid can make it. So, and I agree. It's absolutely delicious. I mean, in my top 2 muffins, right up there with the blueberries, like I said. So without further ado, if you like this video, hit that like button down below. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so you can be notified every time we make a new video. Until next time, we'll see you later.
Goodbye.